Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a unique and delicious recipe. I combined flour, potato and egg to make this soft and fluffy fried bread, crispy outside and super soft inside, perfect for breakfast or snacks. Let's start the recipe. Take one boiled potato, mash it well. Add 3 tablespoons warm water, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Activate yeast properly using warm water. Now add 1 egg. Mix well. Add 1½ cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well and make a soft dough. Cover and keep the dough aside for 30 minutes. After resting, do not make the dough too hard. Let the dough rest fully for best result. Grease oil on your hand. Take small portion of dough and make shape. Heat oil in a pan. Fry in medium heated oil until the bread becomes fluffy and golden brown. Potato help makes bread softer and more moist. Yeast gives bread its airy and fluffy texture. Fried breads are popular in many cuisines worldwide. Combining egg and flour enhances richness and taste. Fry on medium heat to cook evenly inside. Potato provides energy and natural carb. Egg adds protein and nutrients. Homemade breads is free from preservatives. Balanced ingredients make it a satisfying snack. Your soft and fluffy fried bread is ready. Serve hot with sauce, chutney or tea. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more creative recipes.